Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. Got another tutorial for you today, and this is another design inspired by a member of our wonderful paracord community. So this is a design idea from SH Paracord. I will link their Instagram feed down below. But anyways, this is just a different take on the fishtail, done with one of these adjustable shackles. So if you've never seen these before, they just unscrew like so. There's a pin there, and you have three different, size settings. And what I love about this take on the fishtail is you've probably already seen this area right here, which is almost like this kind of eyelet, and it looks really cool. I think it just gives it a totally different look, and yeah, I really love it. So this one was done with 425 paracord and a little bit different. So that's what we're doing today. Do check out SH Paracord, link down below. And guys, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all the tools I use in the video, check out those affiliate links down below. And lastly, a huge thank you again, as always, to my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway, feel free to check out the links for that down below as well and in the video. All right, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so to start this bracelet off, we have to set up our buckle and paracord on our jig. You don't have to use a jig, but I'm going to make it easier. So I've got my adjustable shackle here, right? We've got the U-shaped part up top, the shackle, and the attachment on the bottom. This paracord here is just to attach it to my jig, like so. So I've got my length of paracord, or my length of my bracelet determined between my 2 points. And the bottom piece is going to go on the bottom, and this shackle piece is going to go on top. I'm just going to loop it like right there. Okay. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to take our paracord, and remember I am using 425 paracord just to change it up a little and to make it easier to fit through the buckle. So we're going to take the paracord. We're going to go through the bottom. So see, that's the top hole on the bottom. These are the adjustable parts. We'll put that through the bottom, and we'll just pull that all the way through to get our midpoint, like so, and loop that back on. Okay. And then get your paracord strands even. So with your strands even, we're going to bring them up to the top, and we're going to attach them to the top this way. So let me just put one aside for now. You're going to take one strand, you're going to put it through the front, like so, through the top of the buckle. Okay, just through, like that. Then you're going to take the paracord, go to the left, like so, bring it over the front, like that. And then you're going to bring it underneath the shackle this time, like so. And then take that strand and put it through this loop here. Okay, and that's going to make our cow's hitch up top, like so. There we go. So that's one side. Now we're going to do the same on the other side, just mirrored. So again, go in through the top. So bring that through like that. Bring the strand over to the outside. Then take that strand, put it back underneath the shackle, like so, and then go through here. Okay. All right, so make sure those two strands on the sides are even, and then we're going to bring this down to the bottom now. So next, make sure the core, these two first core strands, are even. So just pull out the excess and pull it through. Make sure there's a bit of tension on that core to make sure it's the right length, like so. So now see the bottom here, we have this opening that we got the cord through. You're going to take the strand on the left, just going to pass it through like so, like that. and then strand on the right, this one here. I melted this a bit so it's a bit stiffer, and we can just easily push it through like that. There we go. So now that makes us our 4-strand core. And then now we've got that coming out the bottom. We're going to go back up top like so. I'm just going to use my hemostats on this one. Just going to pull that through. You can use a FID, of course. I should have just melted that in too, but anyways, that works. So get that out, coming out the right side. And then now on the other side, same thing. This one I can do a lot easier because I melted the tip. So, okay, so get that through there. And now we have our 6-strand core, like so. And we are now ready to tie our fishtail pattern going down this core. All right, we can now tie our fishtail. So I'm actually going to do this slightly different. I'm going to go through the back. You can go through the front. It'll create that more traditional looking fishtail, but going through the back here will look just slightly different, but you'll see in a sec. So I'm going to take the left strand, just going to pass it through the middle, and take the right strand, pass it through the middle. Okay, and then bring that up top, and then we're just going to repeat. So left strand through the middle, right strand through the middle from behind, right? And then again, just continue. Left strand, right strand. And when we just kind of push it up after each knot, there you go. It's just, you can see the overlaps are, it's still a fishtail. It just looks, it doesn't have that angled look that we're so, used to. But yeah, that's the super simple way of tying this fishtail, like so. Just make sure you push it up after each knot. So I am just going to continue this pattern going down the bracelet like so. Okay, so continue that, and when we get to the bottom we will do a slightly different finish to give it that look. Okay, so I've almost come down to the end here, and I got about 1.5 inches left. What I'm going to start doing is wrapping these cords around each of the cores singularly. So ignore this join though, I ran out of paracord, so I just kind of grafted on a bit more. But anyways, so I'm going to start off with the right side, and all you're going to do is wrap this around like so. Okay, and you're going to wrap it all the way down to the bottom of the bracelet. All right, so now once we're down here, again, I'm going to use my hemostats. You can use your FID, whatever you want. I'm just going to go in through, because we have multiple cores here, I'm going to open this up. So I'm just going to open up that little gap in there. I'm just going to grab the cord. You can definitely do this with a FID if it's easier, but my cords are too short. Okay, there we go. Pull that through there, like so. And then you're going to do the same on this side. Just same thing, wrap it around. Same thing on the last pass. Just get your cord through that gap there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so once you get that cord through, do that off camera, it's a little finicky. Just snip and melt the excess, and then we'll be done. Okay, there we have it, guys. We are finished. So, got the excess paracord snipped off, despite that little hiccup of running out of paracord, but I will have the correct measurements in the video as always. So again, a huge thank you to SH Paracord for inspiring this tutorial. Please go check out their Instagram feed and give them a follow. And guys, if you like this video, feel free to hit that like button. It does help me out a lot. And also, if you're not subscribed already, you like this content, you want to see more, feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know of when I release videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.